this is very nice. The gopis are proud that they have attained Krishna as their lover, but in one sense, the gopis are proud of Krishna. Because we say as devotees, and devotee thinking or devotee mentality, that pride, oh, I'm big, I'm this, I'm that, I'm this, rich and famous and beautiful, and whatever. Pride of our titles or pride of our position, individual titles. That's a negative spiritual quality. That's impurity in the mind and consciousness. That sullies the mind. But if a devotee, I'm proud of Krishna. I'm proud that Krishna has somehow bestowed his mercy upon me. Because without Krishna entering my heart to create the desire to love him or serve him, I would never be here. That's the first, and the will to, the interest in God is a gift of Krishna. So I'm proud of Krishna, that Krishna is my Lord, and I'm proud of my Guru. So a devotee is allowed to have pride in Krishna. I can be proud of Krishna, and I can be proud of my Guru, that he's such a great saint, or such, and we can glorify his qualities and his characteristics. But me, I'm just das and das.